Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 28, subject science, getting to know plants. In this worksheet, we will discuss about structure of leaf venation and also the process of photosynthesis. Leaf is flat, thin, green in color. Leaves, you might have seen leaves or different types of leaves. Generally all leaves are green in color. They are thin and flat. It is called the kitchen of the plant as it prepares food. Why the leaves are called kitchen of the plant? Because they prepare food for the plant. That is why they are called kitchen of the plant. Petiole. Petiole क्या है? Which part is called petiole? Stalk of a leaf. This part is called petiole. Lamina, or you can say leaf blade, the broad or expanded part of the leaf. This part is called lamina or leaf blade. Veins, network of branches arising from midrib. This part is called midrib. ये क्या है बच्चों? Midrib. And the network of branches arising from midrib. These branches from midrib are called veins. Midrib, what do you mean by midrib? The central vein of the leaf, this one. And this part is called stalk of the leaf. Now leaf venation. Leaf venation क्या होता है बच्चों? It is the pattern of veins in the blade of leaf. This is classified into two types. There is two type of venation. And what do you mean by venation? Venation means pattern of veins in the blade of a leaf. Reticulate venation and parallel venation. There are two type of venation. First one is reticulate. The veins are arranged in a net-like pattern. So these are arranged in a net-like pattern. These are called reticulate venation. Parallel venation. In parallel venation, the veins are parallel to one another. These are parallel to one another like this. So this leaf have parallel venation while this one is reticulate venation. Now what does the leaf do? What is the function of leaves? Function of leaf is to prepare food for the plant as well as for other animals. Leaves provide food and air to help a plant stay healthy and grow. Leaves to prepare their food in the presence of sunlight and a green color substance, chlorophyll, present in them. So, what is the name of green pigment present in the leaves? The name of green pigment is chlorophyll. So, green pigment chlorophyll is present in the leaves and in the presence of sunlight by using water and carbon dioxide. Leaves prepare their food and this process is known as photosynthesis. Means in the process of photosynthesis, leaf prepared the food by using water and carbon dioxide from air in the presence of sunlight. This process is known as photosynthesis. Let's practice. Identify the venation of given leaves. You have to identify the venation in A and B. In A, venation is reticulate. So reticulate venation. In B it is like this, parallel venation. So you have to write PALLEL, parallel venation. Now fill in the blanks. In photosynthesis process, leaf needs, first one is chlorophyll. So you have to write first chlorophyll, second sunlight, third carbon dioxide gas, carbon dioxide, and fourth water. So in photosynthesis process, leaf needs chlorophyll, sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. By using these things, green leaves of the plant prepare their food, and this process is known as photosynthesis. Second, the design made by vein in leaf is called design made by veins. This is called venation. So you have to write venation in this blank. Thanks for watching.